Hi, welcome to this demonstration on the flower stitch attachment that can be used in any Singer embroidery machine. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you the results of using this flower stitch presser foot on a Singer Futura XL 550 machine. In a separate video, I'm going to cover how to install the flower stitch attachment and how to use it. For now, I'll be showing you the samples that I created using the various stitches that are readily available in the Singer Futura. So here are some of the samples that you can see. This is stitch number 45. And you can see it makes such a nice 3-leaf flower. And then you have these stitches 30, 43. Look at stitch 42. Look at stitch 42. Right? So good. And look at stitch 41, and it's done 3 times. So basically I have run the stitch 3 times over it. That's stitch 41. Stitch number 27. Stitch 40 is also pretty good. Look at stitch 25. This is just a single thread, single rotation. I have not over stitched on it. You have 23, you have 37. So let's quickly see most of the other stitches. 22. This I tried using a silver thread with a red bobbin inside. And this is also pretty good. 32. You see that 31. And 46 is good. These are 14. And these are some basic zigzag stitches. 13, 12, 9, 10. That's it. Thank you.